All right, so we're here with our first FL5 Civic Type-R in the shop, getting some fresh upgrades. We've got an APR 250 GT wing going onto this FL5 Type-R, so let's get into it. All right, there was a small delay from APR. We had to get the proper wing stands and the end plates. We had a little bit of an issue in waiting because of SEMA. Things happen around the SEMA crunch time. We had to wait for them to get back in shop, ship them out to Evasive, get them from Evasive, but here it is in its final resting position. We put a level on here to make sure that this is perfectly perpendicular, and I checked the little bubble on the sight glass. And the other thing I did have to do though was actually chase this hole specifically. All the other holes for the end plates were not an issue. This one had some either gel coat or debris in the threads, so chase that through with the M6 1.0 tap and everything's good. So we actually got a new VIS hood for this car that's carbon upper and lower layer, so we're gonna go ahead and jump to that now and install that hood. I'm going to go ahead and dry erase mark bolt hole locations onto the hood hinges so we can get an idea of initial proper placement. All right, we've got the VIS racing hood fitted. This is a carbon fiber upper and lower structure. It's got rain guards. Finish and the quality of this hood is actually surprisingly top notch. I gave the customer the option of possibly painting this in championship white and leaving some carbon accents. So we'll get to that at a later date if he decides to go that route. If he is going to track this car, I highly recommend that we add some aero catch hood pins because you don't want the layers of carbon fiber to delaminate on top speed runs. The fit and finish of that APR 250 GT wing is top notch. The quality of the foil, the gurney flap on it, the end plates, everything just looks really killer, and we have it set up in a neutral position so it's not adding extensive drag currently, because when he decides to go and take this car to the track, he can go ahead and fine-tune that wing for how he wants the rear end of this car to plant down in the braking zones or in the corners under acceleration. We were able to supply him with all these parts. Again, this is a friend's car, neighbor. He came to us and he's like, hey, I see that you guys have some cool cars that show up every now and then at your house. What do you guys do? And I said, you have a Type-R. We can get you whatever you need for your Type-R. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys need any parts for your project car, don't forget to hit us up on our website at justdriven.com. Not everything is on there and publicized, so whatever you need, feel free to send an email to info@justdriven.com. Find us on Instagram, also at justdriven. That's it for us on this FL5 Honda Civic Type-R, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.